Kate, it's a rainbow! Isn't it beautiful? Do you think we can find the end of it together? Shh, we're playing hide and seek. Do you think Kate can find me first? There you are, Kat! You're the best finder ever! Oh, little boat, you can win! Kate's beating me today. She's really good at this. Wow! This jungle feels magical, right, Kitty? I hear water. Maybe there's something special there. Whoa! It's so beautiful! Look! A toy car! You like it, don't you? Oh, a present? For me? For me? It's beautiful! Wait for me! Where does this go? Toy train! Wow, that was awesome! Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.